Part 1. How to fix iPhone unavailable timer not going down. Try the following methods to resolve the iPhone unavailable timer not going down issue. Fix 1. Force restart the iPhone. If your iPhone unavailable but timer not going down, the first way is to force restart your iPhone. By doing so, your iPhone will refresh its system software and eliminate any bugs or glitches. Fix 2. Reinsert SIM card. Another potential solution to fix the iPhone unavailable timer not going down is to reinsert your iPhone SIM card. This can help reset the network connection and resolve any network-related issues that might be affecting the timer. However, if your iPhone uses an eSIM, this method won't work. Part 2. How to unlock iPhone whose unavailable timer not going down. If the timer is still stuck and simple fixes can no longer resolve the issue, the most thorough solution is to directly unlock the device. You can try the following methods to unlock your device. Way 1. Using iPhone Unlocker. Step 1. Launch the iPhone Unlocker and select the Unlock Screen Passcode mode. Click Start to unlock to begin, then click Start and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode. The program will automatically detect your device model. You can choose a different storage location for the firmware package, then click Download to start downloading the firmware. Step 3. Click Unlock to proceed. Carefully read the notice. Enter 0000 to confirm your agreement to unlock the device, and then click Unlock. Step 4. In just a few minutes, your iPhone screen passcode will be successfully unlocked. Way 2. Using the Erase iPhone feature. You can also erase your iPhone directly from the lock screen, but this method requires your Apple ID. For iOS 15.2 and later, Step 1. Select Erase iPhone at the bottom of the lock screen. Step 2. On the Erase All Content and Settings screen, click Erase iPhone again. Step 3. Enter the correct Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID, then confirm by selecting Erase iPhone. For iOS 17 and later, Step 1. Go to the bottom right corner and select Forgot Passcode. Step 2. Choose iPhone Reset. Click Start iPhone Reset. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID. Step 4. Select Erase iPhone to begin wiping your device. Step 5. After the iPhone is erased, you can set it up as a new device or restore it from a backup. Way 3. Using iCloud. If the Find My iPhone feature is enabled on your device and it is connected to the network, you can remotely erase the device via iCloud. Step 1. Open a browser and visit the iCloud website. Log in with your Apple ID to proceed. Step 2. Select the Find My feature. Step 3. Locate your unavailable iPhone in the All Devices list and click on it. Step 4. Click the Erase iPhone button to resolve the issue of the iPhone unavailable timer not going down. Way 4. Using iTunes. You can also use iTunes to unlock iPhone unavailable timer not going down. Step 1. Install and open the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and put the device into recovery mode. iPhone 8 and newer models. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier models. Press and hold the home button and the power button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 3. In iTunes, select the Restore option and wait for the process to complete.